Hey guys, it's me, Tracy with Anarchy Land, and I'm going to talk a little bit about pressure can safety. Now, one thing Tara over to Living on a Dime said is that she was afraid of pressure canners. Well, these, you don't have to be a brain surgeon to run these, okay? Really, you don't. You have some little marks in here. They're right in here. If you use it for like cooking chili, you can use this to cook chili. I actually used it recently to do tamales. I took this here. I have two other little trays like this, and I stacked them, and I put the tamales on top. I left this in the bottom. That is an option. That's what's so awesome about this. Plus, you can water bath can with this too. Now, this is 5 pounds, the little jiggler. Each of these little rings are 5 pounds. Being that I am just shy of 1,000 feet above sea, I have to use 10. If you live up in the mountains, you would also use this one too. And you'd have to adjust your time accordingly. Now, this here top, you've got to make sure this here piece is always clear. This, make sure it goes up and down. This here will come out if you get too much pressure. It will release it. Your gasket ring, right here. Make sure you keep this clean. It will last a long time. I mean, a very long time. I've had the same one for a year. Almost. Next week will be a year. Then all you gotta do when you close it is you have an arrow on this handle, and you have, let me see it, right here's an arrow. You just line them up and lock it down if you're gonna pressure can. If you're just gonna water bath can, just leave it like that, and you don't even need this. Now, I'm always honest with y'all, and I will tell you this, I have misplaced the owner's manual. It's somewhere in this apartment. The question is, where? I will probably have to go through a frenzy to find it, just like I did Sarge's shot records yesterday. Other than that, it's really not that hard. I mean, you can have this running, be cleaning up. You can also have this running and getting ready for your next round. You could be folding clothes. As long as you're close to this, and you can keep your eyes on this, make sure it's still jiggling, you can bring your laundry into your dining room, close to your kitchen, get your laundry folded, work on dinner. As long as this is going like it should, you're good to go. Now, of course you want to keep this here clean as well, which, hello yes, I need to clean it. I am going to leave you a link to Jamie over to Gilbert Farms. She has like a 1-hour video on canning safety with both a water bath and a pressure canning. And I just seen the coolest thing. It was Homestead Tennessee water bath canning on an open fire in her yard. That was freaking awesome. Now, I don't think you would use this as a pressure canner over an open fire, because it's just too many things, too many variables there with me that I could really foresee happening, like the torrential rain come down and put your fire out, and then you guys start it all over. Now, that's really it, guys. You just, when you clean it like you would any other stock pot. That's it. That's all there is to pressure canning. And next week, I'm very excited because it'll be 1 year anniversary of doing this. And I'm going to share some things that I've learned about pressure canning and some things that it's taught me about myself, about life in general. See you next week for that video. Tomorrow will be a devotional. I will be right back with you tomorrow.